In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life indicator on your Ford Expedition. Turn your key on. There's your oil change needed. You're going to hit the reset button. It's over above your radio. You're going to hit the setup button twice so you get to oil life. When you get there, you're going to hit reset and hold the reset button. And it's going to say oil life set to 100%. Let go of reset and then just go back in and see. It says oil life 100% and you should be good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.